Hello, today I am presenting a delicious snack. We call it suhiye. I got friends from USA, UK, Australia, South Africa, Botswana and Portugal. All of my friends like a variety of Indian food. That is why I am making a delicious sweet one. But they don't like hot chili food. So this snack I am going to dedicate it to my friends and those who wish to be my friends in future. Okay, now I can show you what all ingredients are necessary. The first we want some green gram. This is green gram, and some water and cooking oil, and then either we can use sugar or jaggery. This is jaggery, and some coconut powder. If you have fresh coconut, you can crush it and then you can use it. And then instead of cake flour, that is maida flour, if you don't have maida flour, you can use groundnut powder. It is yellowish in color. In either this besan powder, that is groundnut powder, or cake flour, maida powder, like that. For sweetness, we can add either sugar or jaggery, this one. And then for a nice flavor and also smell, we can add cardamom. It should be crushed, and then cumin seed, small cumin seed. Both of them should be crushed, and we can add a little bit salt. And then for fry, the cooking oil. First we have to make the batter. For batter, I am going to put the cake flour in a pot. And then we can add a little bit salt, and now we are going to for color, to make it yellowish, if you want, you can add some turmeric powder also, a very little, a bit. I am going to make the batter. We can add a little bit more water, so that it must be in a flowing consistency. And we can add a little bit, it is optional, we can add a roasted rice flour also to make it crispy. Very little. Now we can leave it for 5 minutes. And by that time, we can make the fillings. This is the cooked green gram. I have cooked it, and then I am keeping. Now we have to put other ingredients into this one. Now we can put the coconut powder. We can put cardamom. The cardamom which I showed you, I have powdered it. I put it, and the cumin seed, small cumin seed, I put it. And then now we can add a little bit salt, not too much. And then now we can put sugar or jaggery. Now I am going to, if you are using sugar, we can put it directly. No other methods are necessary. So I am going to show you how we can use jaggery. First, we want to melt this one. For that, I am going to make it into small pieces. I have crushed it into small pieces, and then I am going to melt it on fire. Okay, for that we can put a pot on fire, and then a little bit water, and then jaggery. I put jaggery, and then okay, and then bit water, not too much, a little bit. Now all the jaggery is melted. We can off the flame, and now we have to sieve it, because some unnecessary things may be inside the jaggery, so we are going to sieve it, and then it's a thick liquid, so we have to help it to come out. Okay, add this to the cooked green gram. You can use a spoon because it is very hot, and mix it thoroughly. I have thoroughly mixed it. Now next step is to make balls out of it. You see, we can make balls like this. Now one ball is ready. Like that we have to make another one. See, now all that green gram is made into balls. Now we have to fry it. So we can put a kadai on the fire, and then we can put fire on, and now we can put oil, cooking oil. Wait until the oil starts. Test whether the oil is ready or not. And this is a tip for that. Just a small drop of this butter should be put it. See, it is coming up. That means it is ready. Now what we should do, take one of the balls, put it in the butter. Here, all of it must be covered with the butter, and then see, now it is ready. We can put it and fry it. Then one side is ready, so we have to turn it. Now it's already fried. The suhien is ready. Now we have to make all the other balls also like this. Now our delicious snack is ready. It's delicious, sweet and very nice also, easy to cook also. Please try and give me a comment. If you like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.